Fl-Istrina tas-sena l-oħra jiġifieri l-2014 wednikom illi dak ix-xahar illi tajtuna intom il-Maltin u l-Awċin aħna konna ħanamluh parrokki li jintużaw minna il-Maltin u l-Awċin stess. U hekk bi pjaċir nħabbrulkom illi waslitilna l-ewwel konsenja ta' parrokki illi se nagħtuhom lil ħutna il-Maltin u l-Awċin. Imma biex tkunu tafu aħjar kif jiġi preparat ix-xahar meta jinqata' nħalli fidejn issa Ian Miller.
Hello, my name is Ian Miller. I'm here to give a little demonstration about donating hair. This is my lovely model. She's decided to donate some of her hair. It's beautiful. It is tinted, so there's no problem at all to donate tinted hair. What is a problem if there's bleach? And the difference with that is bleach takes all the colors out of the hair, and tinted hair puts colors into the hair. And the tinting is less aggressive than the bleaching. So unfortunately, the ladies who got bleached hair, we can't really use that to make lovely wigs. But the ones with tinted, please, please, come along. This hair is tinted, it's lovely, it's very shiny, looks very healthy. I've done a little consultation and we've decided on a little bob. It is possible to do it in one ponytail and just cut it. But I think to maximize the length, I think it's better to divide the hair depending on the thickness. So I've just divided them into 4 ponytails. And I've done them with tie wraps. And why I've done them with tie wraps is actually so you'll be able to play around with the tie wrap. I didn't tighten them too much. So we decided like the donor would like it a bit longer, we could still pull them down a bit and decide on the exact length that the donor would like to offer. So this is 4 sections. Here we go. Later we could secure them with elastic bands, but I think just for now it's fine just to put the tie wraps. What's very important is if the hair has fallen on the floor, it's not usable because of the direction of the hair. The cuticle will be all not aligned anymore. So it is very, very important just to keep the hair and the way it is has grown out of the head. Are we ready? Yeah? Okay, the first one. We'll try and cut it out really, really straight, because sometimes we see that they're a bit squint. The minimum length that's required really for making a beautiful wig is, let's say, minimum 7 inches. The reason for that is if the hair is shorter with the wig making, they do use 4 inches to knot the hair. So automatically if you think that, let's say, this lovely length will be 4 inches will be missing when it's knotted. So this will be like a bob length. So what I would advise, if you could have the paciencia, is just try and let it grow a bit longer before you decide to cut it. Because, you know, we get lots of donations. This is like a lovely bunch I'd like to show you. So lovely, it's really sweet. But unfortunately it's so short, which means, let's say, if this bundle is used to make a wig, it's only going to be this short. It's going to be a very, very short cropped wig. And seeing that we'd like all the wigs to be for the Maltese ladies and all the Maltese children, we would like I think there's lots of Maltese ladies who would like a bit of longer hair than this. So if you decide to donate, I think it's better just to wait a while, as long as you can, and then donate when it's a bit longer. Because it's such a shame. It's beautiful. Maltese women have got beautiful hair, but it's such a shame if they're so small, because honestly, the wig will be very, very short. And I know there's lots of Maltese women who do like their hair a bit longer. So please take that into consideration if you're going to donate your hair. It's better to, like this young lady here, she's saved and saved and saved, and then we could cut it in one time. And we've got nice lengths, and this will make a lovely sort of long bob even, to make a beautiful long bob. So that's just what I think is good advice for you guys. Next. So that's one. Please, very sharp scissors. We don't want to pull out the hair. We'd like to cut it. That's number 1. You've got a little bob already at the back. 3 and number 4. Of course, after this, then we have to give it a lovely haircut again. This is just the base. And after this, we'll be cutting it nicely to a lovely shape. This is our second young lady who'd like to donate her hair. She's got beautiful hair. It's tinted too. It's got a lovely color. After the consultation, she would like quite a short graduated bob, which means for graduated bob, it's shorter going to longer, which means I've decided now for a ponytail just a one at the back. It is quite thick, but I'm going to do it very, very softly. And I've done my tie wrap again. And it's ready to be cut. Are you sure? Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, here we go. So, again, very sharp scissors, please. You okay? Yeah. I'd like to give my compliments to the ladies because they're so brave. But they all know it's going for a very, very good cause, and this hair is going to make lots of Maltese women very, very, and children, happy. That's it. What's also quite important is, if you're going to donate the hair, can you please just keep it into a ponytail like this? It is good to put an elastic band around it too, but don't plait it, because what happens if it's plaited, you're going to get all like different kinks in the hair. And that means when it's going to be sorted and cleaned, and by cleaned, all these little hairs have to be removed. And if there's all kinks in the hair, it becomes very unequal on the top and at the bottom. So if you could please donate it like this and make sure the hair is dry and not wet. So this will be perfect. If you could deliver it like this, maybe in a piece of paper napkin or in a bag, and make sure the hair is dry and not plaited, perfect like this.